We're a medical device manufacturer right here in Bethlehem, Pennsylvania. We make over 3,000 products with 1,200 people on site. Welcome to B. Braun. I'm Rex Bolin, Vice President and General Manager of the facility. Now, let's explore all the pieces that go into the manufacturing puzzle here at B. Braun.
B. Braun produces products like surgical kits, tubing, and molding components to help people all over the world, one piece at a time. To solve complex medical puzzles, every component is integrated to complete the final picture.
Hello, my name is Ron DiPaolo.
My name is Diane Sire.
Hello, my name is Ben Loomis.
Hello, my name is Frank Rudolph.
We're one of the first departments. As we make our tubing, it goes to the next phase, to the finished product. You get a satisfaction of when you make something that's going to be used for something important. It makes it all worthwhile. My job is part of the puzzle because we're one of the first departments. It starts here and it escalates down to the rest of the plant.
We make medical devices and we have to make sure these products are sterile and safe to put inside the body. And that's what we're doing in this laboratory, sterility testing.
My job is to mill a prototype tray, and with all of the equipment that we have here, I strive to get prototypes much more quickly.
My favorite part of my job is picking, delivering, and unloading trucks. Being able to pick parts that go together in a kit to be able to go to our hospitals and take care of people. My job is part of the puzzle because we support everything that goes on here at the plant.
Our building is divided into multiple phases. An automated machine that takes resin pellets, grinds them up into small parts, liquefies them and injects them into molds that then form our plastic parts. My favorite part of manufacturing is that we have so many different pieces of the puzzle coming together to make a product that is going to save a stranger's life, and it's very fulfilling.
And that's what's so cool about manufacturing!
Go kids!